Hi guys, today we are in my grandma's house. There are a lot of chickens, turkeys and hens. This is one of the turkeys.
Hi guys, this is Adia.
Hey, that's my little cousin Adia. Today we are going to paint a small house in front of my grandpa's home. I have started my painting.
Daddy.
And in front, talking to my uncle and some of my relatives. Wow, see the coatings. I was about to finish the coating. It was an awesome experience. I'm enjoying. I'm doing the second coating. I'm climbing the ladder with one of the help of my uncles. I am enjoying here and I'm planning to paint here. Again I came down and I'm enjoying the view and the turkey saw it. This is my little cousin Adia. She came here to help too. Even my granny joined us.
Hi everyone, it's a lesson to understand.
My cousin was talking to you guys. My granny is also interested on painting the shop. So we all did a fantastic job. So I spent my day in my grandma's house. I gone home and I showered and I got clean. Then I played some games so I can rest for some time after a long day of painting. So it was a good day. I enjoyed a lot and I explored so much. I was with my relatives having fun and playing with them. So the day spent very well. See you all in the next vlog. Bye bye.